Okay, hi. We're going to pack for maybe a week or 2-week trip, and we have the suitcase arranged already with the cavities in the bottom filled in with the toiletries, a pair of sandals, and some socks. On this side, one pair of shoes, we're going to tuck those in, and an empty plastic bag to use for dirty clothes and whatever. We're going to use the bundle method for this. So I have a dress. I've already folded it long ways. We're going to put it in. We're putting everything in so that it hangs out. So it tucks into the middle, into the corners, and the rest hangs loose. Everything else we're going to do the same way. So I'll put this top in, hang out the back on the left, have the sleeves hang out, and tuck it in. We have a pair of pants. I like to fold them this way so that they have creases this way, a little wider at the top but not as thick, and it'll go in the opposite direction. And tuck it in. This pair of pants, just to show you the difference, can also work that way. It's folded in half, and we're going to put it in the opposite side. So the pants hang out on the long end. Okay, a top goes across on the right. Sleeves hang out a little bit. Notice I have colors, black and some denim, so that during the week everything pretty much goes with everything. I have one pair of black shoes in there, a pair of black sandals, and I'll be wearing a pair of black walking shoes. That one on the left, this one goes on the right. That way, if you pick one basic color, I have 3 pairs of shoes, that should do it. And with 5 pairs of pants and tops, 1 dress, and the outfit I'll be wearing, then you have 7 outfits to work with. And a top on this side. Now this is pretty much wrinkle-free. This is the outfit I have on top. I also planned so that what I think I'm going to wear at the beginning of the week is at the bottom. What I'm going to wear at the end of the week is in the top. That's in the middle. That gets... Now we're ready to make the bundle. I could just fold these up because this is pretty wrinkle-free. I'm going to put a few undies in just to make sure they don't get wrinkled out in the first folds. Okay? So now you just go ahead, tuck things in, and take turns. So this one goes in first. I'll wrap this around a little bit. Then just keep taking things one at a time and overlap. Notice nothing is going on top of itself. So everything is being wrapped around something. You don't get any hard, sharp creases that way. These can go in. Pants, tops. Just overlap. Everything's wrapped around something. And make sure there aren't any wrinkles underneath. There we go. Okay, the pants are in. The last thing is the dress, and I'm going to wrap that around a little bit. It's got some folds on the side, but it'll be okay. There's our bundle. What do we have left? I'm going to put the pajamas on top because I'll grab those later. I have some underwear I can stick here in the corner. Another pair of underwear. That'll actually go in just fine. I have a sweater for chilly weather, curling iron, and last, a rain jacket that's kind of warm. Between the rain jacket and the sweater, be comfortable at about 40 degrees or so. Okay? I can hook these together, but they're not going to go anywhere anyhow. Fold this over. Zip it up. This has an extra section. It's expandable, so if you buy a lot of souvenirs, you've got some more space. And there's some extra space in the pockets on the outside, again, for more souvenirs. You're ready to go. Have a great trip. Thank you.